is the World Revolution match. This is the X and Goldwing, but first, X. Boom! And now, Goldwing. Ding ding ding. Now the first come out. One. This is gonna a little bit faster, okay? He's running up. Whoa. 1, 2. Oh, breaking point again. Oh, he escaped it. Oh. Oh, awesome. 1, 2. Oh no, that's awesome. Goldwing is the Shredder! Oh, DDD! Awesome. 1, 2, 3. 3.5. If the 3 is count, it's win now. Okay? If I said 3, it's a winner now. Okay, go. So be careful. He's running up. Goldwing is the master or X is the master. It's awesome. Oh. 1, 2. Almost in the tree. 1. Reverse. Accolade. Oh no. Oh. Sleeping ahead. 1, 2. Almost 2. He's dragging. DDT! Goldwing is the awesomest. 1, 2. Almost in the tree. Oh. Right in the ass. He just get it. Dragging. 1, 2. Almost in the tree. SD. No. 1, 2. No. Oh my God. DDT? Okay. Hello. It's not cry. End of the video.